everybody. Hey, you know, for you guys that love your small block Fords, in my honest opinion, I build a lot of motors. If you're into the small block Ford, I think dollar for horsepower rating, this is one of our best engines. This happens to be the 408 Windsor Stroker. Again, I mean, it makes really tremendous horsepower, but I mean, if you want to get more, you go to the 427s, then you're in the 60s. But this thing makes 540 foot-pounds of torque and 530 horsepower on a 450 build. Phenomenal. Weather gets warm, this thing just, man, makes some great horsepower. This one had to be built on a late model roller block, Windsor block, ARP bolts, Cleveite main bearings and rod bearings. Got an Eagle rotating assembly with a forged piston. Got one of our custom ground hydraulic roller cams. It's got our Edelbrock heads on here that we change spring seals, and we put 7/16 studs instead of 3/8 studs. Stainless steel roller rockers and mainly push rods with ARP bolts holding them together with Velcro gaskets. Phenomenal build package. This has got the air gap Edelbrock intake manifold. It's got a Phytech EFI system, Pro Billet MSD distributor, and this one happens to have a full bolt march. This has got basically got the Cobra package. We got the Cobra valve covers and an oval Cobra air cleaner on it. Again, we built some great engines here. Every engine is custom built. Give Steve a call, get in line, and I'll be happy to build you a great motor. Thank you.